Ever wondered if that glass of wine at dinner could increase your risk of cancer? This question prompted a comprehensive study that delved into the correlation between light alcohol consumption and cancer. Using a meta-analysis of cohort studies, researchers strive to ascertain if there's a link between varying levels of alcohol intake, from very light to moderate, and cancer incidence and mortality. This extensive research was a response to perceived flaws in the interpretation of previous studies. So, what did this extensive research reveal? Let's find out. After careful analysis of 60 cohort studies from 135 articles, interesting results emerged. Very light or light drinking, we're talking less than a drink or up to a drink a day, didn't show a significant association with most types of cancer. There were, however, two exceptions to this: female breast cancer and male colorectal cancer. Now here's something unexpected. Light drinking was actually associated with a decreased incidence of lung and thyroid cancer in both men and women. When we look at moderate drinking, which we define as 1 to 2 drinks a day, the results were quite different. We observed a significant increase in the incidence of male colorectal cancer and female breast cancer. But here's another twist. Moderate drinking was linked with a decrease in the incidence of hematologic malignancy, that's cancer of the blood, in both genders. These findings bring new insights into the relationship between alcohol consumption and cancer risk. So, what can we take away from this study? The main takeaway is that very light or light drinking doesn't seem to increase the risk of most common cancers. However, there is a mild increase in the incidence of breast cancer in women and colorectal cancer in men. These findings are based on a meta-analysis of cohort studies, but remember, individual risks may vary. Remember, moderation is key, and when in doubt, always consult with a healthcare professional.